So how y'all doing? Figured I'd come out here and make another video on this Union box. As y'all can see, I've got it pretty much sanded down. It's all shiny. Still haven't really done nothing on the inside of it though. I'm going to try to just get this dirt out of here. Maybe, I don't know, run over it with a wire brush by hand. Just to kind of get the rough stuff off, and then try to tape up those green stickers and just prime it and paint it in here. I think I'm going to take these off just so I can make a better job, but we'll see. Yeah, I got it pretty much sanded. I was able to save my sticker. I've just got to go back and sand around it. Try to feather that in a little bit, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty much ready to go for paint. And I have decided on the color. I'm just going to paint it gray. They've had one guy comment and say black on the outside, gray on the inside, and I thought about that. But the only thing is, I don't have much black, and the only black I got is semi-gloss. I want it to be shiny. So I use a lot of black for other things, so that's my excuse for not painting it black on the outside. I mean, it would look good on black on the outside, don't get me wrong, but I got a lot of gray. I don't really use that gray, so I'm just going to paint it gray. Save my other colors for other projects. So I'm going to start hand sanding on this and detailing a few small stuff, get it clean, and get some primer on it. I'll be back. Well, it's currently dark 30, but I got the bottom of it primed and painted gray. And, you know, it ain't the greatest, but it's good enough for the bottom. It was almost eat through right in there. There's actually a pinhole, so it wasn't too far gone, or too far from being gone where it was. But I went on ahead and painted it gray in there while I had it upside down, you know. But I do think, I've been thinking about it, I think I'm going to paint the drawers black, because I got a good bit of black. Those drawers won't take that much, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the drawers black. And then I haven't decided on that. I don't know if I'm going to paint that black or gray. I haven't quite decided. I might do it black. I don't know. What to see. I'll probably just do it gray though. But I'm still thinking about it. I did fix this. It was and never mind the bolts. I just got them stuck in there. So when I sandblast it, sand don't go inside of it. But I took pop rivets and pop riveted it back together, because it was so bent up that it kept, every time I try to straighten it, one would bend and one would go straight, and it would be sticking open. So I pop riveted it together, and now it's hard to tell with those bolts, but that's pretty much, you know, pretty straight. You know, still got the bends, the big dents, you know, in it, as you can probably see, but it's as good as I'm gonna be able to get it for what it is. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can be getting some primer and paint on it. I'll see y'all then. Alright, well, I got all the drawers painted black. I went with gloss black. Let's see, where's the other one? There it is. Yeah, I went with gloss black. I was gonna go with this stuff, which is not gloss black. It's actually semi-gloss, but it didn't like the primer that I used, so basically it was rolling rolling it up. So I switched gears and broke out my gloss black, which luckily I had just enough to do these drawers. I don't know if I'm going to do that black now because I don't have any more gloss black, so probably won't be doing that gloss. But it don't look bad. It won't look too bad. I don't know. I might see if I can't paint that black. I think I've got one more full can of gloss black up there amongst the cut clutter. I could maybe even use that and then clear coat it with that over there. So I might try that, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna keep picking away on it. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully I can be priming the rest of that and painting it. See you then. Alright, I went ahead and just primed it. So tomorrow morning when I come out here, I'll be ready to paint gray. So rather the next piece is going to be that. And this box will be done, and it's be a matter of putting it together. So I probably won't have the video done tomorrow. So you'll probably be watching this maybe Tuesday. But we'll see. At least by Tuesday. So this project should be wrapped up as long as nothing happens tomorrow. Rain mostly. But I guess we'll find out. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day. I got the cover sandblasted and primed. And I got the toolbox painted gray. Just now it's still kind of wet, so I gotta be careful. Drawers turned out okay. And you know, they're not the shiniest, but they're not bad. These right here, I actually run out of one gloss black and had to use another one, so it kinda, I don't know, it didn't mix good. This one's a little shinier. I don't know if you can tell. You can kind of see the reflection in it a little better. So it's gonna be a little, you know, uneven, but overall they're not that bad for a toolbox. I'm probably about to try to paint that, and when I get that done, it's gonna be the end of this video, because I gotta let this cure for a couple days. So just to get the video out today, I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna paint that black. I think I got enough gloss black to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint that black, and yeah, that'll be it for this video. So I'll be back after I get that black. Alright, so I got that painted black, and I pulled the tape off my sticker. There it is. Got a little bit of overlap on that side, but it ain't too terrible. Still read it, so probably going to end the video here. I appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. So hopefully next video I'll be putting this thing back together and it'll be done. So till then, see y'all.